Welcome back. Let's talk market technicals. Soni Patnaik from JM Financial Services is now with us on the show. Soni, after yesterday's big up move, today's sort of a quieter session. We are seeing a little bit of a flip-flop. Markets first corrected from the highs, and now it's trying to recover and get back into the green. What is your approach to trade and your stocks?
Hi, good morning, Rima. Thank you so much for having me on your show. I think this is a short truncated week, so one can see Nifty actually in a range. If you look at the option chain for today, 23,300 straddle seems to be, adding a lot of aggressive open interest. So there's a bit of a fight between bulls and bears to take over this level for this week's expiry. So we feel that any move, if Nifty is able to cross above a 23,400 level in spot, there can be a sharp short covering by tomorrow's expiry when Nifty can head towards 23,550 to 23,600 range. Put writers are also getting aggressive. They're raising their support. So intraday basis, you can see a lot of aggressive put writers forming towards 23,200 base. That seems to be holding as a strong support. So the call is quite simple over here. I think by tomorrow, Nifty may head towards 23,500. So one can actually initiate a long strategy at current levels, keeping a stop loss of 23,200 in spot levels. And by tomorrow, there's a possibility that it heads towards 23,550 to 23,600, which can be your targets. I think that move may be seen by tomorrow, irrespective of how short it today. But for today, one can actually indulge in more of stock-specific strategies. And both these strategies should be on the longer side, considering that we are also bullish on Nifty for tomorrow. So one can initiate a buy in PFC, which is about to break its 200-day exponential moving average on daily charts. PFCs looks quite strong. One can initiate a buy at current levels with a stop loss of 415, and a target towards 450 to 470 can be seen positionally. The second buy recommendation comes in for UPL, which is also approaching a fresh breakout on daily chart. So one can buy UPL at current levels around 660, keeping a stop loss of 640 and a target of 700 plus levels can be seen.
Thank you so much, Soni, for joining us, giving us a view on the markets, as well as your individual stock-specific ideas. Well, we'll now take a short break. Up next, we'll discuss